Now we'll put the big wave in. Titanium white on the same fan brush, and we'll determine on where we want our wave to be. I think we'll have it come right in here, just the corner of the brush, maybe right here. Just like that. A little bit more white, because we're going to use that to foam it up. Like that, just like that. Come in, just like we did the waves in the back. Just like that. Taking the excess off, putting some more white. Just tapping this edge here. Just like that, where it would be coming down. More white. Now what we'll do, get this filbert brush, load in some yellow and some liquid clear. We're going to scrub in the eye of the wave. Right there. Leave that black on that edge. Right there. Because that's what you want. Right there along the top. Load up some white now. Rub it in. Just like that. Maybe scrub it in back here too, just a little bit. Get that eye coming in there. Just like that. With the fan brush, we're going to pull down from this wave part. I'm going to tap this over here because then I'm going to pull this down. The angle of the wave. Taking the white from the top of the wave. just like that where it's coming in. This comes out a little bit more like that because that's just the way the waves, the way it works. Got some all kinds of things happening. Looks pretty good. More liquid white on the brush. We'll come back here and tap in. The high spot of the wave. Just like that. Where you got some things happening there. Gonna come in, 2-inch brush. I'm gonna put in some foaminess. Load the brush up just like that. I'm gonna come in and tap some of this in here. Maybe where the waves are crashing over. Just like that. We're starting to tumble. Grabbing some more paint. Just touching up with this. Just touching up. A little bit more. Just tapping it along the bottom here where you might think you got that edge going. Where it's starting to come in. Okay, we got that going on. I'm going to put some yellow in here. Highlight right where this. Right where that might be. Take the blender brush. Pull down, go across, maybe highlight it some more, maybe a little bit over here and there. Just like that. Get that line going right across there. That looks pretty good. I'm going to highlight some more. Right there. Knock off the excess. A little bit more, a little bit more. I think we're going to do that here. down all the way. That glow. Now what we'll do is we'll come in with the dam brush. We're going to get some, we'll clean it off real quick and get some of the white. We're going to make a water line right at the bottom here. Right where all this is happening. Just tapping it on the bottom, right underneath it. Different angles. And where you might think the water would be splashing them. Just like that. Okay, we got that going on. This here I'm going to pull down a little bit more. Just like that. That I'm going to pull down some. Kind of clumpy up there. Just like that. Now I'm going to fill in behind this wave here because we got some things happening back there. It's a little bit too much black there. So I'm just going to tap it in and get some different things happening, different waves. So you don't have that big, all that stuff going on. Got some things coming in there. I'll pull that back. Just like that. Take some more titanium white. Let's make this a little bit more like a it's breaking here.